What are we doing today, Swooz?
Hey, we're in the paint studio here at Black Dog Salvage, and today we're going to be mixing it up again. We're going to introduce to you 6 new colors from our recipe card collection and show you how simple it is to create some really gorgeous jewel tones.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you had some fun watching Swooz here work her magic with our paint line. I like the colors this
I
time.
do
They're
too.
pretty cool.
I do too. A couple of jewel tones and a couple of neutrals.
So follow us on Facebook and YouTube, and find us on blackdogsalvage.com to learn more about our paint line.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys. Happy holidays.